Thank you for joining us. Local doctors say a nationwide mental health care crisis is crowding emergency rooms as its death toll rises.
From alarming suicide rates to all too frequent mass killings, they say something must be done. KCEN HD News reporter Sophia Stamas shows us how they're stretching their very limited resources in the meantime.
The April 2nd Fort Hood shooting, the Sandy Hook massacre, and the Aurora movie theater incident, 3 out of many tragic days in the U.S. with one common denominator.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the mental health care crisis in America? I'd definitely give it a 9.5.
A nation plagued with mental illness is coming up short on treatment resources. Dr. Chris Colvin at Seton Metroplex right outside of Fort Hood says 6 to 10 patients resort to his ER each day.
We are lacking the inpatient facilities to send them to. I can do everything I can in the emergency department to stabilize these patients, but then they need to go somewhere.
Meanwhile, some VA patients are waiting years for appointments.
The access to care for them is very difficult. It's not available.
If they call outside psychiatrists and psychologists, they're likely to hear, "Sorry, we're not taking new patients." Dr. Brad Evans at Pathfinders in Killeen is only able to accept those who are at acute risk.
Nobody wants to turn away somebody that, needs to be seen or wants to be seen, and I always try to provide at least some other type of option.
General practitioners, helplines, and nonprofits help shrink the gap. Still, some fall through the cracks.
Sometimes patients will relay that, hey, had I not come see you, that, I don't know how this would have turned out.
And Dr. Colvin says filling that void will take years, but that it must start with more dialogue.
It's not an attractive policy to discuss, but it's real. It's present. It's not going away.
A reality with all too frequent reminders of its immeasurable human cost. In Killeen, Sophia Stamas, KCEN HD News.
For more information about ways to get help for you or a loved one, head to our website, kcentv.com, and click on the Now button.